Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and today I'm here to share my Valentine's Day cards for 2025. I haven't been crafting all that much, but I had to get my Valentine's Day cards for family and friends. And I worked on it all week whenever I could actually. So these are A4, no, A2 cards. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Yeah. And this is an Pinterest inspired card. Um, I was looking on Pinterest, looking for Valentine's Day cards, and I came across this exact format and everything um, on Pinterest, and I'm like, I have that stamp set and the die set. So the base is 110 cardstock. I used paper from Recollections that I had in my stash forever. Trimmed it down. I used the XOXO, what is it called? XO border frame dies from my Creative Time. I inked the edges. I use a stamp from my favorite things. It's this one, and it's called Hug in a Mug, and I use the Hot Cocoa Cups die set. Mm, I inked it up. I used embossing. I did a white embossing on brown paper. Made the cup dirty with walnut stain. I stamped some coffee rings stain from this stamp set that I think I got off of Amazon a couple years ago. And I think that's it. I inked the edges with some vintage photo. I just love how that turned out. And then inside it just says Happy Valentine's Day with this stamp. I think I got this from, it was either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I don't know. And I got it along, I want to say it was a couple years ago. I can't remember. And I used Glorious Versafine ink. It's very vibrant. That's what I'm, and it stamps wonderfully. So yeah, that is my Valentine's Day cards for 2025. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. Stay warm, stay safe, and yeah, bye everyone.